Hello friends, attorney Amaro Lopez from the law offices of King, Cuddle, Pascual and Associates in Wisconsin, here to talk to you about the Visa Bulletin for the month of May 2020. Let's go see what it says. Let's first take a look at category F1, sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. Let's look at the final action dates. For all areas, for China and for India, the current final action date is March 22nd, 2014. For Mexico, the final action date is October 22nd, 1997. And for the Philippines, the final action date is September 1st, 2010. Now let's look at category F1. Let's look at the dates for filing. Remember, this means that your filing action date is close enough that it justifies you filing your applications with the National Visa Center. For all areas, for China and for India, the current date is November 22nd, 2014. For Mexico, it's December 8th, 1999. And for the Philippines, it is June 1st, 2011. For those of you who like to keep track on how the dates are moving, it looks like the dates move for all areas. For China and India, they move approximately 2 months. For Mexico, it moved up about a month. And for the Philippines, it moved from March 1st, 2010 to September 1st, 2010. So that's a good 6-month jump. Let's now take a look at category F2A, spouses and children for legal permanent residents. For the month of May 2020, for all categories including China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines, they're still current. Final action dates. Dates for filing for all these areas, for China, for India, Mexico, and the Philippines, it's March 1st, 2020. So good news, we're still current for this category. Let's take a look at category F2B, unmarried sons and daughters of legal permanent residents who are 21 years old or older. For all areas, for China and for India, the current final action date is January 15th, 2015. For Mexico, the current final action date is January 15th, 1999. And for the Philippines, the current final action date is June 1st, 2010. Dates for filing for category F2B, for all areas, for China and for India, the date is September 22nd, 2015. Dates for filing for Mexico is September 8th, 1999. And the date for filing for the Philippines is February 1st, 2011. And for those of you who like to keep track of a month-to-month changes in the category F2B, all areas show improvement or a positive change. For all areas, China and India, the improvement is about 2 months. For Mexico, the improvement is about a month. And for the Philippines, there's an improvement of from February 1st to June 1st, so that's about 4 months. Let's take a look now at category F3, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The final action dates for all areas, China and India, is March 15th, 2008. For Mexico, the final action date is June 8th, 1996. And for the Philippines, the final action date is November 15th, 2000. Dates for filing for category F3, for all areas, China and India, the dates for filing is December 15th, 2008. For Mexico, date for filing is July 15th, 2000. And for the Philippines, the dates for filing is August 22nd, 2001. And again, for those of you keeping track at home of a month-to-month changes, F3 category shows improvement through all areas. For all areas, China and India, the improvement is of about a month. For Mexico is about also a month. And for the Philippines, the improvement is about 6 months. Finally, let's look at category F4, brothers and sisters of adult U.S. citizens. Final action dates for all areas in China is July 22nd, 2006. The final action date for India is January 8th, 2005. Final action date for Mexico is April 15th, 1998. And the final action date for the Philippines is October 1st, 2000. Dates for filing for category F4 for all areas in China, that date is July 28, 2007. Dates for filing for India, September 8, 2005. Mexico's dates for filing is January 22nd, 1999. And for the Philippines, dates for filing is June 1st, 2001. Like all other categories, I'm happy to say that there's been some positive movement across all areas. For all areas in China, that movement's a couple of weeks. For India, that movement also is about a week and a half to 2 weeks. For Mexico, the improvement is about a month. And for the Philippines, it's a 5-month improvement. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it informative and helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and ring the little bell to get notifications for future videos. Thank you. Have a great day.